Today I am at Neha Designer Studio and we have a beautiful curation of two different brands, of course Neha's, and we have a curation for jewelry brand. So let me start with that. बाकी मैंने glimpse थोड़ी बहुत सबकी दे दी है आज और कल है, so please do visit because this is a one-stop solution for all your wedding needs. We have jewelry and we can customize anything in clothing for you guys, even for the family, for men, for kids, and of course for the brides out there. We have stunning options in Abhas. Look at this piece. Abhas with handwork, Jardozi work. Colors दिखा देते हैं. Look at that. We have beautiful dupattas also with them. Look at that. That's a stunning kaftan. Another beautiful piece. Look at that. And these are pure Rai Bandhej Abhas. And a very different color, red and black. Perfect for your reception outfits. Entire section for only blouses. We have in pinks, yellow, beautiful green, reds, something very trendy and classy. Yes, spaghettis also, black mein, Banarsis. They also have Ajrak ones. So starting off with something Indo-Western style dresses में ये पूरा handwork के साथ है. We have something in pastel colors. We have for all age groups, guys. For all many age group. If you like subtle colors, we have this also. Beautiful. And if you like in colors, we have colors. This can be a good one for your haldi look. Pastels में. We have something like this.
Okay, so now when I talk about what Modera does, so we have a lot of white label products that we also do, which is more dainty, more wearable and more friendly daily wear. We have certain different flexible styles that we do, so which is very easy to wear, and certain tennis bracelets that we make. So all these are made. We also do lab grown diamond jewelry, so it is basically a platform for traditional and modern jewelry. We have certain pendant sets and certain dainty wear rings for daily wear. We have a Navgraha collection that we have just launched, which is more into the Navratna style, and certain delicate pear shaped pendants and necklaces.
So we have Lucknowi collection as well, and मैं आपको different pieces दिखाना चाहती हूँ, which I think are very very pretty. This is an organza. We have it in georgette also, and of course जो whites रहेंगे वो completely dyeable रहेगा. Lovely pieces in Lucknowi. Look at that. Amazing orange color. We also have black. We have something pastel also, and we have pinks. Bandhej dupattas, but with a twist also. अगर आपको double colors में चाहिए, single colors में we have options right here with meenakari work also. So these are all fusion ones as well. These are all bridal collection. Then we have something in blue. We have green also. Look at that. The Bandhej में अगर आपको work चाहिए, we have work. Lovely Banarsi piece. Check this out. और इसमें पूरा work किया गया है, hand work. And this one, this is a sari. Beautiful Banarsi with Meena work sari.
Hi, I'm Rushin Javeri, founder of Modera. We are a brand from Ahmedabad, based out of Ahmedabad, with a 20-year-old legacy called Fusion, and now we have rebranded and we have become a platform for curated jewelry. So we have certain brands that we have collaborated with. So these are different brands from Bombay, Jaipur. They have a lot of different workmanship. They have certain pieces that have sounds associated in it, and there are certain different natural stones that they work with also. Then we have certain pieces in polki, which is the natural flat cut diamond, and we also have certain necklaces, certain cocktail rings, and certain different elements of black onyx in the stone and the products as well. We have certain daily wear stuff as well, which has a lot of wearability.
मेंस वेयर कलेक्शन ऑल्सो. सो मेंस के लिए आई एम जस्ट गोना गिव यू अ ग्लिम्स. ये सारे कोटीज हैं. वी हैव जैकेट्स विद पैंट्स ऑल्सो. तो आप ये कस्टमाइज करा सकते हो.
उन लोगों के हिसाब
वी आर समथिंग इन ग्रीन. लुक एट दैट.
गाड़ी लेती है अभी उसको लेके.
दिस इज एक्चुअली अ ब्राइडल सेक्शन जिसमें आपको लहंगास देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगे. सो लेट मी गिव यू अ ग्लिम्स व्हाट दे हैव. इफ यू लाइक पूरा लखनवी विद हैंडवर्क देन दिस इज द पीस. वी हैव दिस वन ऑल्सो. सो ये सारे डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. इसके बेसिस पे आप अपना नया लहंगा कस्टमाइज करा सकते हैं. देन वी हैव बंदेज विद बनारसी. वी हैव ओनली बनारसी ऑल्सो. दिस कैन बी योर मेहंदी लुक.